In injection molding, ejector pins get complicated fast. They add machining, add failure points, and add time to your mold build. So we asked a simple question. What if we just picked the part? Introducing the APSX-PKR Part Picker, automation that removes parts by grabbing the sprue from the back side of the mold. Pick the part, not push it out. It holds the sprue until the part releases, reducing manual handling and simplifying the entire removal step. For suitable geometries, you can go pinless. No ejector pins required. That means lower tooling cost, simpler mold design, fewer failure points, while keeping the same cycle time. Bottom line, make more, spend less. It's 100% electric, separately controlled, and designed to be easy to program. APSX-PKR Part Picker, built for APSX-PIM V3 and V2 users. Learn more at APSX.com. Performance depends on part geometry, material, and mold design.